Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and when it comes to the matter of Microsoft, I consider myself rather fair and unbiased. If Microsoft does something good, I'll talk about that this is great and it's good. If Microsoft does something bad, I'll be critical of it, whatever. But let me tell you, there are days where Microsoft makes it so difficult, if not damn near impossible, to say anything good about them. And this is one of those days. So this is what I wake up to, right? Microsoft confirms Russian spies stole source code access to internal systems. But before we get into all that, can we just take a moment to just appreciate this glorious AI generated image? I assume it's AI generated, but whoever created this image, can you send me the prompt for this? Because this is amazing. I want the prompt. I want the prompt for this. This is a glorious, glorious. The Russian bear smoking a cigarette. That's great. Anyway, all right. So on to, to the actual subject of this. This wait. Oh well. Oh, okay. Visual. Somehow I got. That's not what I was trying to do. There we go. Maybe I have to look at this stuff later. Okay, so basically, they don't come right out and say it here. But basically, if you read between the lines on this, like some moron Microsoft executive got somebody to turn MFA off on their phone, and the Russians hacked it because they password sprayed it and got in the mailbox and started digging around and getting out source code and everything, all kinds of other stuff. And the worst part is that idiot executive probably still works there and didn't get fired for this. But anyway, this is just hi, Microsoft. If anybody from Microsoft is watching right now, let me explain something in as basic terms as I can. Okay, you are one of just a few cloud providers in the entire world. Okay, for the cloud to work at all, it has to be secure. People have to trust it. Okay, so that's just table stakes, right? Nobody's going to put their systems into the cloud if they're just going to get their data stolen. Nobody's going to put their data into Fabric if it's just going to get stolen. Okay? It's fundamental here. Okay? So get your shit together. You're allowing people to steal stuff out of your systems over email. You wrote the email system. You wrote it. How incompetent do you have to be? And this is on the heels of China just did this to you like less than a year ago. You didn't learn anything? How? How? You guys make it so difficult to say nice things about you. That's all I had. That's all I had. I can't believe it.